Good morning, Miss McNulty. I am Colin Darwin from Gartner. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
How do you like working at Arkland? I understand you recently started working here.
I actually really enjoy it. It is a fresh start at a new company in an industry I am very familiar with.
I must say, I find what Arkland does is very intriguing. You guys create and innovate new green and sustainable products. It's absolutely fascinating to me.
I agree with you. That is one of the reasons I applied to work at Arkland. We are making great strides in new green technology applications that can really help the environment.
That's great. Now, I'm here today to see if Gartner can help you solve some of the problems you have here at Arkland.
Okay.
So, if I can I ask you a few questions about what you do here?
Sure, of course.
So, how do you currently buy raw materials, and how do you go about maintaining your production equipment?
We actually use a few different companies to serve both of the needs. Some materials are brought in domestically and some are international. The maintenance is done by a local firm.
Great. Have you ever had problems with suppliers before, though?
We have had a few problems before, some late deliveries and some overpriced goods.
Okay, so what do you look for in a quality vendor?
I would have to say order timeliness and quality products and services for the fee being paid.
That sounds like a reasonable expectation to see in any vendor, but tell me, what would happen to your operations if a vendor, say, failed to deliver materials or delivered poor quality materials?
It would definitely hurt our production time and affect our bottom line. We have a very strict production timeline, and even the slightest deviation can cause some major problems both monetarily and our relationship with our customers.
With what you just said in mind, how would a streamlined supplier relationship help you achieve production goals and reduce waste?
I think it could prove beneficial in keeping our production timeline and help avoid costly waste and delays.
Well, you bring up a lot of good points, and Gartner can definitely help you solve some of these problems. I would like to discuss what we do here at Gartner and how we can help you with your problems here.
Yes, please do.
All right. Well, at Gartner, we've assembled the world's largest database of IT metrics. With the program, we delve deeply into each IT functional area to provide, by role, unit costs, productivity, service level achievement, process maturity, and staffing measures, which we then aggregate into a comprehensive and holistic view for you.
Wow, that sounds extensive and time consuming. How do you manage to produce timely reports to all of your clients while working with that much data?
That's a question that I get from a lot of my clients actually when discussing what Gartner can do. But since Gartner is centered around a database of vendors, suppliers, staffing sources, etc., all we have to do is set up whatever metrics and requirements you specifically need here at Arkland, and the program gives us all the information we need to move forward. So these results will streamline your production process in any area you or the program deem necessary.
But won't that still be very time consuming?
No, not at all. Each report actually takes on average about 20 minutes to compute, and after that it can be immediately implemented into your company.
Is this process used throughout my industry?
Yes, actually this tool is widely used throughout the industry. If you want to look at some of these materials I have here, these are actually reports from similar companies that are in your kind of same industry that you have. And what we do is these have two key tools in them that we use when making our comprehensive report to compare what's going on in your company to other companies that are in the same field as you. So our IT key metrics have over 90 individual reports and represent over 7,000 data points captured from more than 80 countries across 21 vertical industries. So it's a wide range and it gives you a good view of what's going on. Also, the IT budget tool enables clients to compare their IT metrics to others in their industry, as well as CIO enterprise level spending. So if you want to look over those, I think those will be very beneficial to you.
Oh wow, that seems to give me a pretty in-depth comparison within this industry.
It certainly does. It allows you to see how you stack up with fellow competitors, seeing where you need improvement and where you're excelling.
Okay, I see.
So another thing that we have here that sets us apart from our competitors is our independent and unbiased approach to our reports. So what we do is Gartner offers actionable advice from a qualified, unbiased source. So, as an independent research organization, we're not obligated to any external agendas, anything like that. We just we keep it in-house and we offer our unbiased approach.
But how do you plan to keep your reports unbiased?
Well, the insight authored by any single Gartner analyst is subject to a peer review process before it's published, much like an academic article, something like that. So each document is reviewed by multiple sets of objective eyes to fully test and challenge the conclusions that are presented, as well as the relevance and business value of the research.
I think I'm understanding what you have to offer, but how can you justify the price tag of Gartner?
You see, a lot of my customers ask me this question, and I understand that money is important. Gartner offers a positive cost to benefit relationship. Our analysts review thousands of hardware, software, services, and telecom contracts and proposals each year, and we identify hard dollar savings on 75% of all the contracts we review. Many review inquiries lead to multi-million-dollar savings. Therefore, the money saved will far outweigh the cost of Gartner to Arkland.
Okay, that puts me a little more at ease with this product. I'm starting to see the benefits that Gartner has to offer.
Is Gartner something that Arkland would seriously consider implementing in their operation?
I think we could benefit from Gartner, but I can't make a full commitment without bringing in my bosses.
I understand you're the VP of Information Technology, but if you were to commit to Gartner, who else would I need to meet with?
You would probably also need to meet with the CFO, Beatrice Potter, and the CEO, Chad Hurley.
Great. I'd like to meet with those two if we can set up a meeting between myself and them.
Yes, that'll be beneficial to us all. Here's their contact info.
Oh, great. Fantastic. Well, it was a pleasure meeting with you, Ms. McNulty, and I hope we can see each other at the next meeting. All right.